On the side of the transmission there is a hole for the shift fork to pass through, and normally there is a rubber boot here, and we can see how dirt and dust could get in there if there is no rubber boot. So I'm going to show how to install the boot to cover this hole. So the cutout in the boot has to have the same shape as the lever, and then on one side of the boot the edge is smaller, so that goes inside the bell housing and this edge stays outside. And we just start on one corner and push it in, and then go around and push it up into place. And use a screwdriver if it's easier. There, and then push it into place.